Hi, boys and girls. For this community helper labeling activity, you are going to use a dry erase marker to stretch out your words and label the tools of the different community helpers. So your teacher may have a bucket of a bunch of different community helpers. You may have a police officer, firefighter, what else? A crossing guard, a mechanic. Your job is to use your whiteboard marker and label the pictures. So I see this picture is pointing to a tire. So I'm going to use my dry erase marker, and in the dotted lines, I'm going to write T-I-R, tire. Can you stretch out the words and label the picture of the community helper that you choose? I can't wait to see your hard work. Don't forget, after you show your teacher, to erase your work.